Fundamental analysis is generally considered a method of determining a business's or a security's value. Note that from now on we'll use the term FA. We can, for instance, look at a company's financial statements, do a competitor analysis, look at developments in a sector relevant to the company that you're analyzing, or perhaps a more thorough analysis on the people who are actually leading the company, so the team. We generally do this analysis to get a sense of whether or not a security or a company share is under or overvalued. And one of the main ways of doing FA on a company is by looking at what we call ratios. In the next video, we'll highlight some of the important ratios that we generally see, and the external videos and literature will give you a closer look. So this chapter is going to take some time, less videos, but more content for you to look at. And it's really important that you do so in order to get a good total overview. But for now, what you need to remember is that FA is a method of measuring a security in order to determine its intrinsic value, as you can see in the definition. From an investment perspective, of course, once again, this is important in order to get an idea of whether a security is over or undervalued. So quite simply, the goal of doing a FA is to aid you in making solid investment decisions. Two more important things to remember. We can split FA into two categories. First, quantitative FA, and the second, qualitative FA. So quantitative FA being based on hard data like numbers, so think balance sheets and such. And qualitative is less easy to analyze, but this could be a company's leadership, their patents, or perhaps global brand recognition. In the next video, we'll look at quantitative FA. As for qualitative FA, that's more subjective and up to you to find metrics within companies that you think are important for making an investment decision. So think, for example, investors who strongly believe in leadership, like they blindly follow whatever Elon Musk or Steve Jobs used to do. Those things are less easy to measure, but in my opinion, equally important in coming up with a total sound analysis. So let's hop on to the next video, evaluating a stock.